Hi Dreamers, so this is my how to create an animal jump tutorial. So first you want to go to play now and create an animal. It takes forever to load. It's taking such a long time. Okay, so you just need to choose an animal, any animal. Then you use these arrows to change the name. Then once you're satisfied with the name, then you click next. I'm gonna put in random birthday. I'm a girl. That works. And then, even if it's not my normal account, I don't want you to hack me. Then you need to put in your email address. Put it in right there. Then you confirm your email address. Okay. And so then, Animal Jam rules. Do play nice, use kind words, and report bad jammers. Don't act inappropriately, cheat, steal, or scam. Give out personal information. And here's a little video. It's boring. And then she just gives you gems. And if you want to find that video, you can go here and never mind, they have a different video there, but I'll have it back up there later though. So then you can change your look to how you like it. Okay. And so then you can either come and click that for the world map, or you can click the world map for the world map. If you want to report a jammer, see the rules, you click on that little badge. Then this little screw thing tells you your rank. If you want to join a club, tells you what world you're on. Locked in, unlocked in, sound on, off. You can have it that one or that one. Get a request on and off. the calendar for the month, and here's the video. You can post towels, which are just themes that say stuff down here. And then here's the furniture store. You can buy all these betas that used to be betas, that's what I've heard. You can also access the furniture den. If you go to your den, you can access furniture there. So to get to your den, you just click this little den button here. And if you want to put stuff in your den, you click the little table there. Just take this stuff, drag it into your den how you like it. Like that. Once you become a member, you can go here and change your den. And now, for non-members, you can get hamsters. I'm not sure what it's sold. And I'll just go to here and get one. Hamsters, they're sold up here. Hamsters there. So then you can just get a hamster. And to change the pet, you just do the same thing there. You also start out with 1,000 gems, but yeah, I sort of spent my gems on that hamster. There's your hamster. And pets can do things like that. And switch an animal. You just come here and you choose one of these. If you want to be a koala, you can check out one of my other videos. You can't be an exploring or traveling animal. You can be any of those other animals. You click the little store button here, you have all these stores. You can't go into the water worlds unless you're a water animal. Water animals are these ones here. If you want to go see a movie, you just click the little movie thing. If you want to buy a pet, you just click the little pets tag. Epic dens. They're dens that are supposedly epic. Some of them are epic. So yeah, that was beginner's tutorial. That I didn't put free text on this one. I can't type today.